Hi there, students. Bits and bobs. This, I think, sounds to me like a very British phrase. Bits and bobs are a random assortment of things. Small remaining pieces. Miscellaneous items. So, for example, I still have a few bits and bobs left over from when I used to work out in the gym. Or maybe I have when I used to do boxing. So maybe I've got one or two bits and pieces. There are a few bits and bobs left over from the party. Maybe some plastic glasses, a quarter of a bottle of gin, a couple of cans of beer. Yeah, just various items. Yeah, they're miscellaneous things of different kinds. There are still a few bits and bobs of furniture left in my old house, and I need to go to pick them up. Okay, so miscellaneous, unrelated pieces that I don't really want terribly much, but they might be useful. There is no information coming from the war zone at the moment. Well, we do get a few bits and bobs, but there is no regular communication. I'll be able to come out with you in a bit, but I've still got a few bits and bobs to do around the house before I can leave. Yeah, so bits and bobs, sundry items, sundry tasks, miscellaneous chores. Okay, yes, so I've got these bits and bobs to do. My drawer is full of bits and bobs and I need to clean it out. There are so many bits and bobs in my room that if I don't tidy it up and put them all in something, I'm just going to drown in the mess. Okay, so we've got this is a plural noun, the bits and bobs, various different pieces, odds and ends, drips and drabs, odds and sods, if you like, as well. Maybe a hodgepodge or a hotchpotch of different things. A mishmash of various items. Oddments, yeah? A ragbag group of things. Okay, so this is what we mean by bits and bobs. There's no real continuity between them, or maybe there is, or there was in the past. But if you look at them separately, yeah, they're just remaining pieces, remaining items from something else. Let's see, I buy a few bits and bobs whenever I go to the car boot sale. Yeah, a few miscellaneous things, various different pieces. Okay, notice this phrase bits and bobs is quite informal. Yeah, this I'm probably going to give it a 3.5, maybe a 4 in formality. So in an informal conversation, I think more formally, sundry items, a sundry group of items, a miscellaneous number of things, something like that. Okay, so bits and bobs, bits and pieces, stuff. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bits and bobs.